Maria Colette-Bivan, Andrew Horn, welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here.
Well, the good news is that the report identified that there weren't really any major gaps in regulation in New Zealand. But then they went on to say that based on the IMF's recent report into New Zealand, there were a couple of areas that they might want to focus on. So they made about 2 or 3 key recommendations to the government. The first one was that there needs to be more of a focus upon customer outcomes. And the second report, or the second recommendation they made, was that the government look at identifying ways in which it can hold individuals responsible. The first is they need to think about customer outcomes and what that means for the way that they focus their businesses. We see a lot of insurers and brokers, for that reason, focusing very much on the products that they'd like to sell. And I think there's going to be much more of a move towards focusing on what the customer needs and then trying to put a product to the customer that suits their needs, rather than on looking at what you have to sell. The second thing I think they need to be conscious of is the fact that individual performances of individual people within insurers and brokers are going to be under an increased focus. And so the way that they structure bonuses and incentives is going to come under some pressure.
Well, while the regulators and the government both indicated that the findings would likely occur across the broader insurance industry, I don't believe they'll have the same concern regarding personal lines of insurance. The general insurance industry as well has undertaken to self-regulate under the Fair Insurance Code, and that sets out a number of best practice standards for insurers as well. But in saying that, the likelihood is that legislation will be enacted which will cover conduct across the financial services sector generally.
As you may know, we built at JRNY some digital assistant to help with the compliance aspect of the insurance transaction between a broker, an insurer and an intermediary, and also with end users, consumers. To be compliant, but also to report on compliance. Do you foresee that technology could help the industry with reporting and compliant advice?
Yes, definitely. The new Financial Services Legislation Amendment Act, for example, is technology neutral. So that means that advisors will be able to provide, insurers will be able to provide class and personalised advice through online channels. What that means is that any advice through online channels will be regulated through new conduct standards under the new Act and under the new Code of Conduct for financial advisors. So as a result, any technology solutions that are carefully constructed to meet the new requirements will certainly help insurers meet the standards themselves.
On behalf of JRNY and our followers, thank you both for taking the time today to share with us your expertise. We have some famous coffee cup that we like to use and to give at JRNY, so next coffee or tea is on us. If you like this video and want to propose a topic to cover, a guest to invite, please comment below and have a brilliant day. Thank you all.